Hi everyone, Vicki here with my colleague
Morgan.
Today we've decided to share with you a do-it-yourself recipe for hand sanitizer, and we're doing it with essential oils, and we're using nothing but clean and non-toxic ingredients, so you know you can be safe using it to protect yourself during these challenging times and for the upcoming winter and seasons. So here we go. So Morgan's going to take, we have 2/3 of a cup of isopropyl alcohol. Oh, whoops. And she's going to pour it into this container. Put that on the side. Thank you. And to that, we're going to add, now this is going to be the interesting part, we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of aloe gel.
It's very sticky.
It's very sticky. Now this aloe gel, I'm going to write where you can purchase it. Pour that in. I'm going to write where you can purchase it. But what we did is I have this really old aloe plant, and we took the gel right out of the plant. So that was quite an experience for us, and that's where the stickiness came in. It's great. It's good. Okay. To that, we're going to take, this is some jojoba oil. You can use any kind of a nice oil that you have. We decided to use this, and she only needs 1 teaspoon of that. She's going to do that over that, pour the 1 teaspoon in. There, it's coming out. That's good. Okay, I'll take that. She poured in the teaspoon of the jojoba. Now come the essential oils. So I always like to use thieves because you know how wonderful it is as an antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral. So we're going to use thieves oil, and then Morgan chose her favorite, orange. So
how much drops are we?
For this, I'd like you to put 10 drops of thieves. Whoa, it sounds like a lot, but we're making a number of little gift items. So Morgan's going to count out 10 drops. It's coming.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Perfect. So she did the 10 of those, and now she's going to do 20 of orange because she likes the way it smells. She wants the orange smell. Now this is interesting because today Morgan was here for school. Go and count your 20. Yeah. She's going to do 20. And during math, we did a lot of counting. So this is just helping her with her math homework.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That might be a little bit over, but
it's okay.
Yeah.
It won't hurt. So I think we're going to try to just stir this up with a fork.
With a fork?
Yeah, I think that would be good. I have a whisk, but I think that's too big. So stir it so it's mixed really, really well. Now I'm also going to post a link to where you can buy the cute little hand sanitizer bottles. Yeah, this should be good. The hand sanitizer bottles like on Amazon, and they even come with a little clip that you can hook onto your belt or hook onto your book bag. So those would be great, but I didn't have those on hand, so I'm just going to take another container.
It's sticky from the aloe.
It's still sticky. And then we're going to take a funnel and this container, and Morgan's, just pour it in. I want to hold it. You pour that. And Morgan's going to pour that in. That's good. Stop. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Sticky. Not good. I do not like sticky. But
so we're just going to shake it up a little more again.
Yeah, I want to shake it.
And
there you go.
Just going to put a little. Oh! So this isn't the best container. So I'm just tiny little bit because it's a big opening. Teensy, teensy. See? Yeah, this one isn't the best, but it's the best I could find for the moment. And there's our hand sanitizer. So this smells wonderful.
Yes.
We had a lot of fun doing this. I will post this and give you all the links so you can buy whatever products you need. And thank you so much for joining us today. What do you want to say? Bye. Bye for now.